Hi everyone. Today let's dive into something I believe is important for all of us. That is devotion. No, here I'm not just talking about religion. This is something bigger, something we can apply to our daily lives, whether we are cooking a meal, working on a school project, or chasing our dreams. It must be a challenging video for all the women who are cooking at home. So kindly bear with me, alright? Okay, jokes apart. Now, imagine this. You're cooking dinner for your family, but you are only half-hearted about it. Maybe you're just throwing ingredients together because you are hungry or because someone asked you to do. The food might turn out okay, but will it be memorable? Probably not. Now, think of a different scenario. You're cooking with love and care. You choose fresh ingredients, take your time with the recipe, and put your heart into every step. When you finally serve the meal, people taste the difference. And suddenly, what could have been an ordinary dinner becomes a special memory. That's the magic of devotion. In a story, a mother tells her daughter, either don't cook at all or cook happily with love. She explained that food cooked with love always has that extra something, more flavor, more joy. And it's true. We have all had meals that tasted better simply because they were made with care. The point here is not just about food, it's about the effort and heart we put into everything we do. What is devotion really? Let's break it down. Devotion doesn't mean you have to be religious or spiritual. It's about putting your whole heart into whatever you're doing. Whenever you're devoted, you're fully present. You're not distracted or doing things halfway. Look at it this way. You're studying for an important exam, but you're also watching TV and checking your phone every 5 minutes. Sure, you might pass the test, but will you truly understand the material? Will you feel proud of the work you have done? Probably not. Now imagine, you turn off your phone, close all distraction and really focus on your study materials. You are more likely to not only excel in the test, but also to feel that sense of accomplishment. That's what devotion is. It's giving your best effort because you care about the result, and it changes everything. Let's look at a few examples of famous people who showed immense devotion to their craft. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players ever, didn't just rely on his talent. He practiced without break, constantly trying to improve. His devotion to the game is what made him a legend. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, works long hours and puts in immense effort into his companies. His devotion to innovation is what's driving the future of technology and space exploration. Third, Marie Curie, a brilliant scientist, devoted her life to research and discovered radioactivity, which changed the world of science forever. She didn't give up when things got hard. She kept going because she was passionate about her work. So what we can learn from all this? It's simple. Either don't do it at all or do it with devotion. Whatever task you take on, give it your best effort. Whether you are preparing for a sports match, working on a project, or even spending time with your friends and family, make sure you are present and engaged. Half-hearted efforts will only bring half-hearted results. In a world full of distraction, it's easy to go through the motion without really being invested in what we are doing. But when you take the time to focus, to pour your energy and heart into something, the result can be incredible. People will notice, you will feel more fulfilled, and your work will shine. Get this. To wrap this up, the next time you're faced with a task, ask yourself, are you ready to give it your all? If not, maybe it's not worth doing at all. But if you're willing to put your heart into it, the rewards will be worth every bit of effort. Devotion isn't just about getting things done. It's about doing them with intention and care. And when you live your life this way, the results are always extraordinary. Got it? Thanks for sticking around, and remember, whether it is in the kitchen or in the basketball court or in the classroom, do it with devotion or don't do it at all. Guys, now it's your turn. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment box. I would love to hear how you apply devotion in your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.